2025 Ford F-150 Lightning. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, seat massage, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Take home the car of your dreams today.